Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change download location in Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the download location in Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, choose the profile which you use, and after opening the profile you just simply have to tap into this My Netflix option at the bottom right corner, and after tapping into there you will see the 3 bars into the top right corner. Again click to the 3 bars and after that go to App Settings of Netflix. Then you will see whole download section settings, and into here you will get the option of download location. Just simply tap into that option and then you can choose download location from here. If you have an external storage or external SD card installed, it will show right below the internal storage that is showing into mine. Just simply select download location that you want to use and click to OK. This way you can easily change your download location in Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.